It's Cooking with Medavog with my world famous biryani Indian tacos. You get your favorite frozen Indian rice meat and microwave it for up to 3 minutes on high. You get 2 corn tortillas on high, while the Indian rice is microwaving. You can flip the tortillas. You never leave the tortillas there thinking they're going to become soft and warm, because they will probably just become hard. The key to making tortillas, any tortillas, very soft, is that you actually have to flip them a lot of times. Carefully, you peel off the plastic from the container. As you can see, it's delicious. It smells very Indian indeed. Welcome to It's Cooking with Medavog. This is some of the meat that will go into the taco. You don't want to put too much on it because, well, normally a taco can have different types of things. So like I thought maybe I could put cheese on it, but I don't think I would want to put cheese on this one. I think that this is like so tasteful already as it is, and spicy, that I'm going to add a little bit of more hot sauce, more fire on it, so the vampire fabulous sauce is gonna make its way into the taco now. I haven't tried this taco sauce yet. This is my first time. I don't know. I guess Cooking with Medavog is very spicy. It's gonna be a very spicy meal, folks. You can pair it off with your favorite lemonade. On this beautiful Saturday. And our special guest today with Cooking with Medavog is none other than Dracula. Hope everybody's having a fabulous day. Let's taste this and see how it is. Oh my God. Delicious. Goodbye.